Hello guys, let's start with another problem, but a gentle reminder to all that I'm not feeling well, so there would be a little bit, difference in my voice. Please adjust for today. I think and I hope till Monday onwards I'll be feeling a little well. I'm feeling just lethargic and uh, season is changing. I think this is a seasonal fever which I'm going through. So, yes, once again, let's start with another problem, which is known as number of segments in a string. So, we are given a number of strings and we are given a string S and we have to return the number of segments present in that string. What is a segment? It's a contiguous sequence of non-spaced characters. Okay, guys, try to remember. Try to remember, yesterday also we solved such kind of problem only. Got it? So if S is equals to hello, comma, my name is John. So the number of segments are there 5, includes hello with comma, my name is and John. And if S contains only one word, hello, then output is 1. So number of segments is 1 here. S contains lowercase and uppercase letters both, including the spaces, as well as the following characters. You can see these characters are also present. Okay, so guys, what could be our approach? First of all, let's trim our string S and now let's take out the length of the string. If length of the string is equals to 0, return 0, as there is no string present. Okay, there is no segment present in the string. It is a nullified string. Otherwise, let's split the string into words. What words it contains. So we can use s dot split our magical line, just like yesterday, works here. This regular expression, what it does, we studied it yesterday also, guys. What it does, it includes only the words, okay, no spaces, or it excludes the multiple spaces between two words and includes only the words within the words array of a string. Okay, at last what we have to return, we have to return the length of the words array. This is our final answer. That's it, guys. This is our final answer. Yeah, it should be like this. Let's try to run it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. Hello, comma is one segment, one word in the words array. My is the second word. Name is the third. Is the fourth. John is the fifth. So output is 5. In the second case, there is only one word, hello. So the output is 1. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. So what about the time and space complexity? As we can see, the time complexity is big O of n because we are using predefined functionalities like trim and split functions. Okay, so it is going through the string as one time. It is going through the whole string as one time. And what about the space complexity? Same with the space complexity, because we are using or creating array of words of string type. So it is also big O of n. Hence, the space and time complexity both are big O of n. So guys, that's it. Signing off. But before signing off, please watch, like and subscribe my videos. And if you are watching my videos, remember to attempt the last quiz. Okay? Remember to attempt it. Bye-bye.